Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, back out at my hunting property, and here for a couple days, just do a quick bow hunt with my friend Brody, who's taking a nap. While he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a old El Paso ramen noodles, just a quick snack. I'm gonna add some chicken to that. I'm gonna use my Pathfinder pack stove, so we are on episode 12, I believe. I've got some fuel here, I've got some water in my Pathfinder canteen cook set. I got my GSI utensil pouch here, and I'm going to cook this all in the GSI mess kit. So let me go ahead and get this set up, and then we'll start to show you how I'm just going to throw this together real quick. Alright, let's go ahead and get this quickly set up so I can cook this. My Pathfinder pack stove. Put this in here. In the legs, we are going to open up my mess kit, pull out my utensils. All right, we are going to see if I can balance this here. Probably a little crooked. Let me pour some water in here, make sure this is balanced. All right, let me see. Looks like enough water. I think that's enough water. So just got all of our legs. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and just get this stove lit. I got a lighter in my pocket. Put this on here. Just turn on the gas. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and get that water boiling. So once that water boils, or starts to boil, I'm just going to drop in these ramen noodles and the chicken, just heat it up. I love having these little quick meals when I'm out at the property, especially in between times like this. It's like I'm going to cook something else for dinner tonight. So for now, having just a quick snack of these ramen noodles with some chicken is kind of perfect before we go to the stand. So when that starts boiling, I'm just going to drop in the ramen noodles and the chicken, and I'll bring you right back and show that to you. All right, everybody, so the water's boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and open up these ramen noodle packets. And I like these because they're not just one giant clump of the spices in the noodles. They're actually pretty loose, so I can just kind of simply pour it right in there. That's perfect. And I'm going to take a little bit of water from my canteen cup, and I'm just going to add it in here just to get out some of the extra spices that are stuck on the bottom. Pour that in there. It's perfect. All right, and we'll get that in the trash like we usually do. I'm going to go ahead and open this chicken. Okay, I'm going to drain out some of the liquid off camera, and then I'll bring it right back. All right, I'm just going to dump this chicken right in here. All right, I'm going to use my fork from my mess kit, and I think that's going to be my utensil for today. But get that chicken out of here. Perfect. All right, we'll make sure that gets in the garbage, and we're just going to let this boil and let those noodles tenderize and absorb that liquid, and then we'll be ready to eat. So let me go ahead and bring you back when this is ready to be turned off and have a little quick taste test. And that's just it. Straightforward, simple. It's gonna be a little great meal, so stay tuned. All right, everybody, so this has been boiling for a few minutes here, and I just wanted to keep it going just to burn off some of that moisture that was in there. But anyone knows with this stainless steel pans or pots or whatever you're going to use, if you don't have enough moisture in there, as it gets heated up, right, it's going to stick and burn to the bottom, and I definitely didn't want that to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. kind of show you this final product. Looks absolutely delicious. You can see all the peppers, jalapenos, the beans that are in there, I think. And the chicken and the noodles looks absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and do a quick taste test here. Okay, wow. It was really good, really spicy. You can really taste those jalapenos. That's really good. I love making these little kind of ramen noodle things out here on this pack stove. It's perfect for the trail or car camping or truck camping, whatever you're doing. We happen just to be tent camping out here on my property for a couple days, but this is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this meal off and get ready to head to the stand. So thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.